In this video, we will review NationWide's bank investment account. NationWide's bank investment account provides a straightforward and reliable platform for those looking to invest in a range of assets, such as stocks, shares, and ETFs. Known for its customer-focused approach, NationWide offers competitive fees and various investment options, including access to a tax-efficient ISA, making it an attractive option for those looking to grow their wealth in a tax-efficient manner. The platform is designed for an ease of use with simple interfaces that allow investors to manage their portfolio with ease. While it provides access to a range of ready-made portfolios suited to different risk tolerances, the account may not be ideal for more experienced investors who are looking for more in-depth research tools and advanced trading features. Although Nationwide does not offer personalized financial advice unless you choose to pay for the higher service tiers. Overall, Nationwide's investment account is a solid option for many beginners who are looking to seek a low-cost, hands-off approach to investing, but they may not meet the needs of the advanced investors who want a more sophisticated resources. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.